Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you the first 280 SLX outboard that we have had here at this dealership since it's been released. This boat is incredible. It's a do-it-all type of boat with twin engines and joystick. On the outside, we optioned it with Sea Ray blue, the rally red stripe, and the white bottom. It's very American. It's very American to have a boat and be out on the water. Come up here and check out the rest of the boat. All right, guys, inside this 280 SLX outboard, as you can tell, I'm blocking the sun out of my eyes right now. It would have been super simple to put up the bow shade because it's just two poles in the front, clip the shade up there, put them on the poles, and you're done. You have all the shade in the world up here. Also up front, we have a bow filler cushion that fills this whole area in, so you have a nice big playpen area. But as of right now, we don't have it in. Very easy to put in. I'll show you guys where that's located later. Coming into the cockpit, we have the double wide helm seat, super comfortable. Right here on the twin Simrad displays, I have the C zone up right now and your navigation screen. Tilt steering wheel right here, of course, your Fusion Apollo head unit, your redundant switches over here, twin binnacles, and one of the best parts, joystick. On a 28-foot boat, makes this thing so easy to dock and maneuver in tight spaces. Also comes with Skyhook, which holds the boat in place, and autopilot, that you can keep your course, you can navigate or change your course by 1 to 5 degrees. Then you can also set it up to where it automatically turns for you on the GPS screen. Co-captain seat does swivel, and look at how much room is in this boat. This is a 9-foot beam inside here, which is incredible. One of my favorite parts about this boat, I talked about the shade in the front earlier. Since they redesigned the 260 and the 280 SLX, the shade on the hardtop, or the skeleton, got so much larger. Then they have the rear shade that goes out as well. And with just the push of a button, say the sun was right here in my face, all I have to do is push this button right here. This tower is going to fold down and get the sun out of my eyes. It's incredible. So again, this cockpit area is made for entertaining. We opted not to do the cooler over here, just did the storage, but we did have the end table. Also inductive charging back here. Great overall setup in here. On the back of the boat, nice large sun pad area for relaxing if you have the windlass anchor out, or if you have your Skyhook engaged, you can watch the sunset or the sunrise. You guys, it was very nice talking to you today. If you have any questions about any Sea Ray, or in particular this 280 SLX outboard, please give me a call. My name is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. You can reach me at 936-223-6770. Have a great day.